Welcome back to Daytime Live. Right now, we're joined by the melody god himself.
Yeah.
Dancehall star Kranium. Welcome.
Welcome, Kranium.
Well, go on.
So it's good to have you on Daytime Live.
Yeah.
Right? And it's good to have you back in Jamaica on the rock because now you're promoting a new single.
Yeah.
Without You.
Correct.
Right? Featuring Queen Naija.
Queen Naija,
Yeah, nice. So talk to us about that one, you know.
That record that I was in LA and I was working on the project, because I don't like to call it album. I feel like album EP like the same thing.
Same
but
thing, right?
At this point I didn't have an actual name for it yet. But I mean, yeah. But I was in the vibe where I feel like I needed to try do something different than the norm. Because you know me as a man very ranchy. So most of the music that I was ranchy. So I feel like on this actual record, I just wanted to have something with just like a vibe, we're cool, but still show like a sweeter side. But the woman must say, we are loving you, you know. We have ways in the boat, you know what I mean? So I feel like that's how that record came about. And I love Queen Naija. I feel like her voice is beautiful. And it was just, you know, something that makes it happen, yeah.
Beautiful. I like that.
All right, so since you burst on the music scene, though, I wonder who word that. Since your boss, right? Like you've had major collaborations with people like Ed Sheeran, Wizkid, whole heap of people, right?
Yeah.
Like, was it always what you wanted to do, to become an artist?
Yeah, I always want to become an artist. I feel like the first time I sing in a church and I see a woman reply me, I say, yeah, this is going to work good for you in my life. So I feel like from this, from this as a youth, I say, yeah, this look like it's going to be a thing. And then as a little youth in New York City, it wasn't the easiest thing to be a dancehall artist to break from it. I mean, everybody who ever have any clue about dancehall music and how it moves, it was one of the hardest things to do from the state. And I feel like being in America even give me a stronger push to be like, to prove a point. It was more like a thing for me. I said, yo, I'm going to say a friend and boss.
Love that.
Everybody said, you need to go back a yard. I said, well, I don't know about that. I go stay a fine and figure it out, and you know what I mean? I grew more love for it over the years, and then it's just something I just become good at, and yeah.
I love that, I love that. So, what kind of music do you prefer? You prefer the love songs?
Yeah.
Or, and I'm going to tell you exactly what Odessa told me if I ask you.
Okay, no problem.
She wants to know you prefer the love songs or the bun song then?
I feel like bun better.
Bun better?
Because I feel like there is songs where people hear, where them can relate to, but them can't really speak on it. So I feel like the song gives them that leeway of being themselves.
Right.
In the cut, like, yeah man, I true, you know what I mean? So I feel like I represent every woman out there that is going through a bad time and feel afraid. Me and them
Release.
And
permission.
Yes, don't feel bad.
So basically, people still have love, you know, but them can't express that by themselves. But you are give the people who feel the bun.
Yeah, it's okay. Everything all right.
Everything all right.
Yeah, I'm here with you.
Right. All right. So you have a big fan base in Africa.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
I can imagine you worked really hard for that too.
Yeah.
So when it is that you realize that your music is staying in the US, you're not just delivering in the way that you want it to, but even better for the dancehall, then you know, say, a fan base of Africa. How would that affect Kranium?
It doesn't affect me at all. I just feel like I feel like the problem with a lot of us is that we're afraid to be ourselves. We're afraid to be ourselves.
So you haven't changed?
Never, ever. What I did was I used my environment to be a part of my creative. I grew in New York, so there were a lot of Haitian, Spanish, you know what I mean? So much mixture of different sound and element that help create my sound. And I feel like once you be real and somebody accept you for your first record, that means that them love what you do. So I just stick to it, and then Africa just jump on and just like early out, and even with Wizkid, as you mentioned earlier, the feature, this was 2013, you know, like when I see, like, me I go to Africa, me I say, yo, Afrobeat up and vibe, you know, it'll come. Like, it'll move, and then when I went there, the vibe was so nice, and all them love dancehall and everything. So I feel like there's no need to switch up or change the sound or change anything of what people already accept.
Does it work?
It works.
So, as far as the project concerned, though, like what are the major songs we're gonna hear upon the project?
It's like you have dancehall, hardcore, you have like an R&B element, and then you have like reggae. You have like the one reggae, like straight rock reggae. And I have Dexter on the album featuring Young Blue. I have a rapper named B-Love, one of the hottest rappers out. The Queen Niger, so the project got nice. I tell you,
it's so nice already.
Yeah, it got nice.
Bun songs on it.
Yeah, Bun Forgive.
Bun Forgive.
So the thing is too, though, people need to understand. So when a man like Kranium say, you know, Dexter on the album, you know the kind of vocals where you are going to get. And you know the kind of song where you first you know the kind of song where you get. But outside of that, you know the kind of vocals, because a whole heap of people don't really understand how versatile you are vocally.
Yeah, true.
Like you can hear it, you can tell, so there's depth in the talent.
Yeah, I've heard songs that you do, Kranium. I didn't know it was you.
Yeah, that's cool.
Because you sound so different based on what it is that you're delivering. I'm like, this is Kranium?
Yeah.
So I love that. I love your versatility.
Thank you.
You really worked on that. Kudos on that. Love that. You can't finish. Can't done.
You might frighten me the first time.
Yeah.
So what I saw that boy about? Him bad.
Him bad.
Him bad for two.
Because I don't know what's him.
I think it's the patience too. I feel like I think I drop like 2 songs a year throughout in the year since I've came in music. I don't really drop much music. So I feel like I give people enough time and give the song enough time for like really soak in.
Yeah.
So when I reach this point now, I'm like, okay, I feel like someone go up a little notch now. You know, I want to make sure I teaspoon people. So I don't look crazy, just come out of blues like, where this man start sing R&B or when start sound, so you know, I feel like I teaspoon each market, little by little, for people understand and be
Sounds like foreplay.
Come on, you know what time it is.
You can't leave with me.
No, I'm just saying it sounds like, because you're talking about, you know what, Kranium social media, it's all right. But isn't it like musical foreplay?
It is musical foreplay, 1000%.
Thank you, social media, Kranium. How we follow you on social media?
You can follow me on Instagram at Kranium, because my DMs be looking wonderful, so yeah. Kranium, Kranium. And Twitter is at The Real Kranium, but as I said, my favorite is Instagram because those DMs be looking wonderful.
You like, when I'm sliding at the DM also?
I love it.
Okay, see what I'm talking about? Well, Kranium is not leaving because he's gonna stay with us. We get to play our game with Kranium on our games day today. Did you know that?
I'm ready.
You're ready? Good. Daytime Live will be right back. When we come back, we have a throwback video and then we have Kranium playing a game. Stick and stay.
7 days I'm barely standing, and I'm more contemplating.